This video demonstrates how to replace the prosthetic glove on the Michelangelo Hand. For a complete list of required tools and materials, please refer to the video description. First, ensure the hand is in the default neutral position, with approximately 20 millimeters between the thumb and index finger. To remove the existing glove, first place the prosthetic hand in a heating cabinet at 60 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Then mount the prosthetic hand on the mounting tool and apply donning spray to the prosthetic glove. Hold the glove at the sleeve end and carefully remove it from the hand. Avoid excessive force on the fingers, especially the thumb. If the prosthetic glove is not to be reused, you can cut it open from the inside after warming it. Take care not to damage the prosthetic hand. Cut the new prosthetic glove to the desired length and place it in a heating cabinet at 60 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, apply the textile glove. Textile gloves are used with all prosthetic gloves, except the translucent version. Prevent the fabric from protruding into the joint mechanism by securing it in place. Pull the ends of the thread together, tie a tight knot, and trim them, leaving approximately 10 millimeters. Secure the thread in the groove on the wrist as shown. When the wrist flex is used, secure the thread on the flexion guard as shown. Now remove the heated prosthetic glove from the heating cabinet and apply donning spray to the inside of the glove and to the fingers. Hold the glove at the sleeve end and pull it evenly over the hand. Ensure that the fingers are correctly aligned during application. Avoid excessive force and do not twist the glove, especially in the area of the fingers and thumb, to prevent malfunctions.